What is up, YouTube? You've got Papa G here, and I am back with 10 beautiful classic cars, all from Facebook Marketplace. Always remember, if you're interested in one of these beautiful cars, the link is in the description below, so stick around to the very end. Hey Rooster, give them all the details. I sure will, Papa G. Like, comment, and subscribe. And if you like one of the cars, the links are in the description below. That's right, Rooster. Now let's start the show. Come on, let's go! Number one this week is a 1957 Chevrolet Bel Air Post from Wichita Falls, Texas. This beautifully restored 1957 Chevrolet Bel Air is powered by a fresh 350 cubic inch engine with a 4-speed standard transmission, front power disc brakes, vintage heat and air conditioning. This Post car has just had its restoration, only 498 miles on it since it was finished. Done with new chrome and stainless on the exterior with its viper red color to give it the attitude it deserves. On the inside, you will see very nice all-custom leather interior with the touch of old school in the stitching, classic instruments in the dash, and a custom sound system for your music and entertainment. It has all been upgraded with new mini fuse system. Dyno mat has been installed, as well as carpet. The Tri-5 Chevrolets have always been a favorite among collectors for many years and have held their value over time. This car can take you out on a date or a long trip and get thumbs up everywhere you go. Again, this has been a 1957 Chevrolet Bel Air Post for $39,900. Car number two is a 1973 Pontiac Firebird from Norwood, Pennsylvania for $35,000. The car features red brilliant paint with a black interior. It has 147,000 miles. This 1973 Pontiac Firebird has a Chevrolet 350 engine. It is a California car. It had a full restoration 20 years ago, not the original motor. It has factory AC, posi-track rear end, deluxe interior. It's always been garage kept and runs great. The seller is asking $35,000. Again, you are looking at a 1973 Pontiac Firebird from Norwood, Pennsylvania for $35,000. Car number three is a 1966 Lincoln Continental from Westville, New Jersey. This car has less than 76,000 miles. It features an automatic transmission with black exterior and brown interior. This 1966 Lincoln Continental Suicide Convertible has a stock 462 cubic inch motor. It runs and drives excellent. Electric fuel pump, modern carburetor, aftermarket trans cooler, dual electric fans and shroud. Updated AC, brand new steering gearbox and solid mount kit installed, along with new power steering pressure lines installed in October of 2023. Factory tilt steering, black slick paint color sanded and rubbed custom tan interior. Bucket seats, canvas black top, convertible top functions perfectly. The car features a airlift air management system, 4-wheel wheel wood brakes and calipers, 20-inch isotope Sofia wheels, brand new Diamondback white wall tires, and custom sound system. Once again, this is a 1966 Lincoln Continental from Westville, New Jersey for $139,900. Car number four this week is a 1968 Pontiac GTO from Nashville, Illinois. This beautiful GTO has less than 79,000 miles. It has a manual transmission. The exterior color is burgundy and the interior color is black. This 1968 Pontiac GTO is believed to be an all-original drivetrain. This is a very straight and solid bodied GTO with a strong 400 cubic inch engine and 3-speed manual transmission. The seller's asking price is $36,900 for this beautiful Pontiac GTO. If you're interested, the link is in the description below. Up next, I have a 1978 Chevrolet Resto Mod Camaro from Austin, Texas. This car features an automatic transmission, beautiful flat gray paint with a black and tan interior. Seller says considering reasonable offers. This car is a beast. Runs incredible. Super tight. Selling my LS Swap 1978 Camaro. It has a 2001 5.3 liter LM7 with a 4L60E transmission, dual Flowmaster FX exhaust, mid-length headers, coil plugs and wires, battery and starter, subframe connectors, front frame connector, upgraded 1-inch rear sway bar, new tie rods, center link, and idler arms, Moog upper and lower ball joints, U-joint, rear wheel bearings and pinion shaft, new steering wheel, KYB shocks, Dakota digital gauge. This has been a 1978 Resto Mod Camaro for $23,500. Car number 6 this week is a 1968 Plymouth Barracuda from Calgary, Alberta, Canada. The car features a manual transmission. The exterior color is green with a black interior. For sale is my beautiful 1968 Plymouth Barracuda Fastback. It features a fresh 451 cubic inch stroker engine with a 4-speed A833 transmission with sure grip rear end and 294 gears. This is car number 6 and it's a 1968 Plymouth Barracuda for $45,000 Canadian. Car number 7 is a 1971 Oldsmobile Cutlass from Salina, Kansas. The car features less than 124,000 miles, an automatic transmission, the exterior color is green, and the interior color is black. This beautiful 71 Oldsmobile Cutlass features a 350 cubic inch engine, a nice cam, about 90% done. Runs and drives but needs a few things like door locks, trunk lock, hood spring, etc. Does have a few scratches here and there, but overall looks great. Brand new Riddler 18-inch wheels with brand new tires. Matching interior. May consider trades, but only trading up unless you add cash on top. This has been car number 8, a 1971 Oldsmobile Cutlass for $17,500. If you are interested in this car or any other car in this video, the links are in the description below. Car number 8 is a 1959 Ford Thunderbird from Fresno, California. This beautiful American classic features an automatic transmission, exterior color of white with an interior color of black. This 1959 Ford Thunderbird has air conditioning with power steering and power brakes, a fresh motor and transmission with under 20,000 miles, new tie rod, new control arm bushings, good paint and interior, turnkey driver that cruises great. Again, this is a 1959 Ford Thunderbird from Fresno, California for $17,000 or best offer. Car number 9 this week is a 1948 Ford Coupe from Milford Center, Ohio. For sale is a 1948 Ford 2-door coupe, V8 flathead, stock with headers. Dual exhaust, runs great, 3 on the tree manual transmission. 6-volt all new, old stock wiring harness, front to back all lighting engages works. Body and paint are nice, older paint but holding up well. Nice interior, has been redone within the last year. Looks real good. New master cylinder, new gas tank, new headlights and carb, with less than 1,000 miles in the last 5 years, but I have driven it 300 miles in the last 3 weeks. We'll take $15,500 cash or trade what you got. This has been a 1948 Ford Coupe from Milford Center, Ohio for $15,500. Car number 10 this week is a 1971 Chevrolet C10 pickup truck from Lexington, North Carolina. This truck features an automatic transmission, an exterior color of blue, and an interior color of gray. This is a 1971 Chevrolet C10 short bed pickup truck. Super solid truck. It features a 383 cubic inch stroker engine with a big cam mounted to a 700R transmission. It has cold air conditioning that works great. The truck runs perfect with wheel wood brakes, Bluetooth stereo, a beautiful billet grille. All the chrome has been redone. The interior is brand new. Chrome rims, roll pan on the back. The truck has too many options to list. Must see. Again, this is a 1971 Chevrolet C10 from Lexington, North Carolina for $28,000. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Come on, let's go!